How to find your wallet address on Trust Wallet. Hey guys, let's get started. First of all, make sure you have installed the Trust Wallet on your Android. You can easily get it via the Play Store. Once downloaded, make sure you're logged in into your wallet on the Trust Wallet application. Once you log in, you will land to the home page of the Trust Wallet. On the side, you will see all the tokens and the crypto. Tap on the wallet address or tap on the token whose wallet address you want. Once you have tapped on the crypto or the wallet, it'll take you to another page. From here, you have to click on the receive button. Once you tap on it, you'll get a scan code or QR scan. Just copy the code and it'll give you the wallet address which you can share within your friends. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.